At number 1, the rechargeable RC off-road car. Fast, tough, and holiday gift ready. Dual rechargeable batteries deliver up to 60 minutes of total playtime. Keep the fun going. Bright LED headlights and color-changing body lights. Epic day-to-night fun. 370 motor hits, 20 km/h, independent suspension with shock absorbers, durable ABS shell, and all-terrain tires for sand, gravel, grass, and pavement. Advanced 2.4 GHz remote. Stable signal up to 200 feet. Race multiple cars together. Perfect gift for kids 8-12. Holiday deal, Prime $24.99. Free shipping over $35.
At number 2, we introduced the 33 km/h Speedy 112 RC car, built for speed, control, and fun. RC 380 motor rockets up to 33 km/h. Feel the punch. Responsive 2.4G seat control up to 50 meters. No lag, just precision. Rugged ABS chassis. Reinforced aluminum frame. Tough, light, agile. Bright LEDs light the night. Dual 7.4V 1400 mAh batteries up to 70 minutes.
Let's race. Gift-ready fun for everyone.
At number 3, a high-performance 4WD RC monster truck. 36 km/h thrills and hobby-class engineering for kids and adults. Powered by a strong brushed 380 motor, efficient drivetrain, ball bearings, gear differential, and independent suspension for speed and durability. Responsive 2.4 GHz, proportional remote, smooth forward, brake, reverse. Stable up to 280 feet with quick, confident handling. Splash-proof electronics conquer grass, gravel, and concrete. Flexible PVC body and high-grip knobby tires keep it planted. Two 7.4V LiPo packs deliver up to 40 minutes. 99% ready to run, charge, power on, and race. Replacement parts available.
Number 4, the all-terrain RC truck. RTR, all batteries included. Unbox and play right away. Dual independent motors and wide tread tires deliver stable power, 45-degree climbs, and serious grip across gravel, grass, and slopes. Learn drifting fast. Switch direction, brake, and slide. Full steering in reverse makes cool spin-around maneuvers simple. Independent suspension and tough bumpers absorb shocks for smoother rides. Jump up to 8 feet and tackle steep climbs. 2.4 GHz pistol remote gives stable, interference-free control at up to 10 km/h. Beginner-friendly. 2 rechargeable batteries provide about 50 minutes of play.
At number 5, we introduced the 404 RC remote control car. A beast built for adventure. Officially licensed by Ford, this 1/18 scale monster truck delivers authentic off-road thrills. Powered by dual motors, it reaches speeds of 20 to 25 kilometers per hour. 4 high-grip rubber tires conquer 45-degree slopes, grass, sand, and rocks with ease. Metal shock absorbers handle drops, bumps, and uneven terrain like a pro. The 2.4 GHz radio transmitter lets multiple vehicles race together, perfect for family fun. With an upgraded 7.4V battery for 20-plus minutes of play and a beautiful gift box, it's the perfect present for kids and adults alike. Backed by a 1-year warranty and dedicated support, ready for endless off-road adventures.